Well, Matt, the roller coaster ride continues.
That's right. Unfortunately, today was kind of the peak for a while and a little bit of a
Now we're on the
dive.
plummet, huh?
No, it won't be a quick plummet, kind of a 2 steps. But by this weekend, it will be getting cold. We are tracking some colder air moving in tonight. That we'll call it cooler air returns for the first wave of that. That'll come in tonight into the day tomorrow. And tomorrow will be noticeably cooler as temperatures today in some areas were in the 60s. Tomorrow, most of us will hold in the low 40s. But looking even farther ahead, we're tracking much colder weather as we head into Saturday. So again, overall, the trend is for a cool down, but it's beautiful out there right now. Look from our downtown Topeka weather cam. Current temperature in Topeka is 59 degrees, northwest wind at 7. Started out at 21, made a big climb up to 59 this afternoon. And when you look at the statewide map, you've got 70s. Even some areas were nearing the 80-degree mark over southwestern Kansas, and Des Moines at 19. So we talked about that contrast yesterday that we're tracking is kind of wobbling back and forth. The warmer air moved in today. Colder air will return. It's all a matter of the wind direction, which will be changing on us overnight into tomorrow. Temperatures range from 53 at Lawrence to 59 at Burlington, still 65 degrees at Council Grove. Breezes have been westerly, but are starting to show signs to turn to the east and to the northeast, and that push of cooler air will push back to the west, cooling us off tonight into tomorrow. A look at satellite shows mostly clear skies. Had snow falling over areas to our east in that colder air from Iowa to eastern Missouri and Illinois. But we've enjoyed the warmth spreading in over the Central Plains for today. But it does get pushed back a little bit as we take a look at KSNT Future Track. That east and northeast wind settles in at about 5 to 10 miles per hour tonight through morning. And then we'll continue with that light easterly wind becoming more southeasterly through the day. It'll be chilly. Topeka topping out around 39. Manhattan near 40 for a high tomorrow with light wind by afternoon and some scattered clouds. Then Friday we start to warm up, but here comes a push of strong northerly winds through the day. And it looks like it'll hit pretty early on Friday. And with that, you'll notice a drop even in the wind chill through the day. Tonight, with that light breeze, wind chills on KSNT Future Track will be into the upper teens by morning. We make a run at the upper 30s tomorrow afternoon with the light wind. And then as we look at the daytime temperatures on Friday, now the temperatures will be in the 20s and 30s in the morning, but with a factor in that wind, it'll feel like upper 20s and low 30s. And even though we may hit highs in the 40s, that strong breeze will really make it feel cold. And here comes that even colder air settling in by Saturday morning with wind chills perhaps into the single digits. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, 39 tomorrow, and then 45 on Friday, a high of 29 degrees by Saturday. Maybe a little light winter mix Sunday morning with a high of 45. As I step out, look at this climb in temperatures. 60 by Tuesday, 68 by Wednesday. Quick look at the beautiful sunrise from Jim Fry at Rossville and from Leonard and Irene Cardwell in Shawnee County today. Also a quick hello to the second graders at Williams Magnet School here in Topeka. Had a chance to talk to them about weather and weather safety. Good group of kids, and of course we enjoyed this nice day by taking them out to see the KSNT Storm Tracker as well and how we track storms in the area. That's part of our Kids Learning About the Weather program. So good group of kids today, very well behaved and lots of good questions. And I think they were excited to know they got a chance to be on TV tonight.
What are some of the #1 questions they always want to ask you?
I usually get a lot of questions real specifically about how tornadoes form and how we can know they're about to form. So try to explain that, give them some analogies. It usually helps them to understand it.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Matt.